As Penelope gently sits down, she walks slowly into a shadowy gap and sneezes up a raw cough, then opaquely disappears. Roberto, her rumble in the sack of a twit and a faraway distance, yet closely scrutinized, awash with dichotomy and some close friends, and a lorry driver who casually looks up to one side and grins like a turd, and so forth. Looking a little tired or as weak as a tit, she taps upon a dusty wooden floor, set astride a Venetian false apartment made of clay and tarmac. Without a moment of warning, her so-and-so of a half-brother gooses a fine lady with a twig. Both Roberto's brother and Penelope quietly leave for an outside, up from the back for a bit of frontal lobe. They gently touch cloth and a hard bit, moving sideways and slowly downstairs. As they attempt or attack between distemper upon some withered rough sack inside a bag belonging to a barber known as Reg Worthing Grapes, nice bunch, but a little rough with an ugly profile. Everyone is taken by complete surprise, or even the chance to spit, as their world suddenly comes to an abrupt end. Slowly, slowly, slowly. All decide to catch some breath, alongside several tins of freshly cooked brassicas.